Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 Fit. The Fit was engineered to be useful, efficient, and reliable. But its most important attribute is its innate charm and coolness. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, front disc rear drum brakes, FWD, steel wheels. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.